Is infinite banking too good to be true? My name is Carmen.
And I'm Darius.
And we are the founders of Wealth Nation.
Before we answer the question, make sure you like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Infinite banking is not too good to be true. And infinite banking actually only works when you work the system. So as long as you are dedicated and disciplined with the 3 rules, which is pay yourself first, pay yourself interest, and recapture, the infinite banking process will work for you.
The whole idea behind it is giving you 100% control of the banking function in your life. Now, when it comes to the banking function, when you borrow money from a bank or financial institution for your car or your mortgage or whatever you borrow money for, you pay them back principal and interest.
Yes.
Now, the pay yourself first idea is the fact that there has to be money in the system in order for you to borrow. When you borrow that money, pay yourself back principal and interest the exact same way you would if you borrowed that money from a different bank. And the next thing is to recapture. Recapture comes from the idea of when you're paying money for something that you finance, you're paying them principal and interest every single month. There's money that's building up somewhere else, but it's coming out of your pocket. By controlling the banking function in your life, that money builds up in your checking account, in your separate checking account, which means you have control of even more money to take over even more of the banking function in your life. So yes, the idea is for you to have control.
And when it comes down to it, if you don't follow those 3 rules, then you just have a life insurance policy. So the whole world doesn't come crashing in on you. You don't lose your family's fortune. It's just you have a life insurance policy. And that's basically it. So the best case scenario is to work the system so that you have more money to become your own source of financing. And if it doesn't work out for you, then at least you have a whole life insurance policy.
Or if you do nothing, you have a whole life insurance policy.
So we hope this information was helpful, because a lot of people ask us this question all the time because they think it's just this get-rich-quick scheme. And it's not. Wealth is a mindset, and it takes time for this banking system to build up. But like we said, as long as you're disciplined enough to work the system, you will see those rewards start paying off.
Right. We have habits. We have a habit right now of paying our bills. And those bills, a lot of times, are bills to your car note, bills to your mortgage, bills to credit card companies. We have a habit of paying them principal and interest. We should change our habit of paying ourselves. If we own the financing tool, which is the infinite banking concept, then we can control the principal and interest that we're paying, not to financial institutions, but to ourselves. So make sure you like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram at wealthnation.io.
And remember, own your own lifestyle.
Or someone else will.